Tired of the FMOD Studio Engine DLL gaming error? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to fix your multimedia stack and eliminate that pop-up. To start fixing FMOD Studio Engine manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This DLL file is the foundational library for the modern FMOD Studio audio engine. It enables developers to integrate sophisticated adaptive soundscapes into games, handling multi-track mixing and interactive music on Windows. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting the FMOD Studio Engine DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the FMOD Studio Engine. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the FMOD Studio Engine. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking improved system clarity, the diagnostic tool in the description references the FMOD Studio Engine environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the FMOD Studio Engine working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.